Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to India Food Network. For interesting recipes, do not forget to click on the bell icon. Today in a monsoon special, let's make a Himalayan delicacy. It's a broth called Thukpa. For the Thukpa, of course, since it's a broth, you need a stock, a nice and flavorful chicken stock, for which I've taken some chicken bones, I've taken some ginger, some salt and given it a boil. Boil it well for 20 minutes to 30 minutes, strain it well and keep it aside. We also need a spice paste which needs to be ground absolutely nice and fine. For this, let's take some tomatoes. This is followed by some onions. To this, some ginger and garlic. Followed by crushed chillies. And the essential flavor of the Thukpa, which is Timur Powder or Szechuan pepper. To add into the taste, I'm adding in crushed black pepper and finally some coriander leaves. Well, there are various versions of a Thukpa. This one is typically Himalayan. You find versions in Nepal, Bhutan, Darjeeling and places like that. The spice paste is done and ready. Let's next move on to heating a stock pot. To this, let's add in just a few drops of oil. The first thing that goes once the oil heats up is the chili paste or the spice paste. To this, let's add in some vegetables. Well, usually the vegetables that go in are carrots and cabbage. Let's give this a mix. And add in our ready chicken stock. Allow this to boil well on high flame for a minimum of 5 to 7 minutes. Once the Thukpa comes to a roll boil, let's add in some salt. What I'm using is Himalayan pink salt. Let's add in some lemon juice. Give it a stir, and with this, off goes the flame. For the serving, we need boiled or steamed noodles. Let's add in some steamed chicken, and let's top this up with the broth. Finally, let's garnish this with some sprigs of coriander and for some added flavor, red chili oil. Enjoy this steaming hot Thukpa with your family and friends. I'll be back soon with some more exciting monsoon recipes. Till then, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to India Food Network.